Honestly, don't get me wrong, but in school, when Honey Singh was speaking,
Yeah.
it was my lowest point because they used to just call me Honey Singh, and I was like, no.
Gender is no bar in that. Can be a girl who is your soulmate friend, or it can be a guy who's your soulmate.
Correct. And I
Yeah.
feel like I'm also a girl's goal, but I'm also a tomboy. I created like the skincare reel for a brand,
Yeah.
and I had a lot of acne at that time, and it went viral. I was, of course, very happy. Like, it
Yeah.
was the first video to go
Yeah.
viral. You know, I was like, hey, this is great.
Yeah.
Like, this is what popularity
This
feels
working,
like.
yeah.
Until I saw the comments, and everyone's like, hey, you shouldn't be recommending this. Hey, like, look at your skin first. And I just shut down.
Since you mentioned you had acne and now I see you've got such beautiful skin, what was the change that you made that led to this?
Honestly, a lot of like brands cannot control the script to the T. Like, I know what
They
works with
shouldn't.
my audience. So if you dictate that, hey, say this, it's not gonna work.
Luxury skincare versus drugstore skincare. Which would you keep, which would you cancel, which would you confess having tried? And
Honestly, being part of this job, I have tried all
All.
of it.
Oh.
But I don't feel like you essentially need luxury skincare,
Yeah.
because there are so many like nice drugstore affordable
Yeah,
options
yeah.
available, and for each skin concern there are so many Indian brands also
True.
that are doing really great stuff.
True. Is there an Indian brand that you really, believe in their products?
Actually,
Affordable beauty, honest reviews, and trends decoded without a fluff. Hi, I'm Sonal, and today we are going off script with the one who's built a community that trusts her recommendations and looks up to her for, beauty that actually works for Indian skin tone. Hi, and we're talking about Honey Sheth. Honey, how are you?
hi Sonal, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm very well. But tell me, why Honey? How Honey? This is a very unique name, even if you think of it कि ऐसे देसी way में देखा जाए तो. Honey is something that we've always thought कि hi, hey honey, I'm home or something like. Honey as a name, how did that happen?
Honestly, I gotta thank my parents for that, because they had to pick between Honey and Hittal. And honestly, I would kill myself if my name was Hittal. No offense to any Hittals out
It's
there.
a different name. Both of them are different names.
Yeah,
But
like that's a typical Gujju name.
Yeah.
And I feel like whenever people like see me for the very first time, they assume I'm Punjabi.
Yeah.
Just because of the name. So I feel like
yeah,
I
Honey
now,
does give a little Punjab.
right? And they also say that I don't look very Gujarati.
Yeah.
Like neither does my, tone of voice or anything.
Yeah.
So they always like ask me, hey, are you Punjabi? And I'm like, no, I'm Gujarati. And they're always surprised. So I
It's a
feel
nice
like,
mystery to have around you, right?
right? Yeah, it's such a fun conversation
Yeah.
starter.
Yeah.
Like anytime I meet someone, they're like, oh, is it your real name? Is it your nickname? And I was
Yeah.
like, no, it's my real name.
Yeah, if anyone has a doubt, now it's clear. It's not a nickname or a pen name or an artist name. It is a real name.
Correct.
Bestowed by the parents. Thanks to them. I'm glad that you love your name, because I know that all the desi people who are watching this will understand that ये एक थोड़ा सा होता है हमको, मेरा नाम ऐसा क्यों है, मेरे माता पिता ने मेरा नाम ऐसा क्यों रखा है. But I'm glad that you feel differently, and
True.
I mean, I think since the time you were born, you were like हमें पता हमें बेटी को क्या चाहिए, उसको हनी पसंद आएगा.
Honestly, don't get me wrong, but in school, when Honey Singh was speaking,
Yeah.
it was my lowest point, because they used to just call me Honey Singh, and I was like, no. But now,
yeah,
like,
now I can
yeah.
I can understand how that must have been for you. But you've made your own mark now.
True.
Of course there's Honey Singh, and then there is a Honey Sheth, and she's doing her thing. She's become such a voice that relates and resonates with so many people out there. How does that make you feel?
Honestly, pretty surreal. Sometimes I just wake up and like, I thank myself, I thank my parents, everyone who's kind of supported me
Yeah.
all these years. Because again, without my community, I'm nothing.
Yeah.
So it's just hard work, dedication, community, everything that just comes together and has made me who I am today.
But how did content creation happen for you, Honey? Like, was it a conscious decision, or was it just something that you just, stumbled upon and you were like, you just took it up?
Honestly, it was merely out of passion.
Yeah.
I had a full-time job in PR, and I did that for about 6 years before I
Wow.
quit it last year.
Wow.
So when I was doing that, influencer content was just booming, and I was like, hey, it would be so nice to dress pretty, take pictures, and just post it. Like, it seems like a dream job.
It did look very appealing back in the time, और अभी भी ऐसे लगता है कि ये करना.
Exactly. So then I was like, okay, why don't I give it a shot? So I just ended up like cold DMing, I think like 100 brands back then, and out of which like 1 or 2 said yes. And I was so excited. I just started creating content with them, for them. And I think that was it. Then I just continued cold DMing brands, and like I think 6-7 years later, here I
So
am.
I would like to dive deeper in this. You did cold DMing as in there, because I know that there are a lot of people who must be figuring out how do they go about this, how do they start or something like that. Do you want to
Correct.
share how you started it? What did your cold DMs include, and what were you trying to, you know, pitch yourself as, and how did it work? Because now you must have figured कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है.
True, but even now, I feel like I'm always A/B testing. So I never have the same DM going to 10 brands. I will always try to like include one line about like
Their
obviously
niche,
I'm
right.
reaching out to a
Yeah.
brand that I love and I want
Yeah.
to work with, right? So what is something that I really admire about the brand? What is something that I can create content
Right.
around? Say for example, it's just a lipstick. What new am I bringing to the table?
Right.
Because everyone will like put out lipsticks, watch it, that's it. You know, but what new angle can I
Yeah.
do? So that's something that I always make sure I include in my DM.
Wow.
Even now, I do kind of cold DM brands. I'm going to go to US in like about 2 months. I'm still cold DMing brands that, hey, I'd love to work with you, you know, to always kind of figure out how we can combine our
Wow.
energies. So I feel like it's never like, okay, it's been 6 years, now I don't need to cold DM. I'm still cold DMing brands that I love, merely out of like love for the product, what they
Yeah.
stand for,
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, I totally resonate with this part कि sometimes है ना ऐसा होता है कि हमें अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगता है ना, तो भले ही किसी ने रीच आउट किया हो नहीं किया हो, we are like no, we want to tell people about this. We don't want to
Exactly.
gatekeep. We want, why should we have all the fun? We want everyone else out there to experience this, and it's so
True.
nice of you to like take that passion and put it out there for everyone to experience, which is why your community, I mean, it speaks for himself. How much they look up to you and trust your recommendations, right?
Honestly, that means a lot.
Yeah. Tell me, what was Honey doing before content creation? Of course, PR का job तो था, but how was Honey growing up before beauty creation happened?
So honestly, even before PR, I was a journalist.
Yeah.
So I've done entertainment journalism for about 3 years.
Yeah.
I interviewed all celebrities, and then eventually I was like, okay, what new can I do?
Yeah.
Like, this is a routine. How do I
Yeah.
mix things up?
Yeah.
And then I was like, let me just apply to this PR job. I think it looks cool. Like,
Yeah.
I've seen journalism is one side of the table,
Yeah.
PR is the other.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
So then I was like, let me give that a shot.
Yeah.
And then I
Another
ended up,
feather in your hat.
yeah, and then I ended up with this job at MSL, which was an amazing company to work at.
Experience
And-
क्या मिला होगा?
Yeah, and I did that for 5 years there. I got to work with so many brands that I actually love. I also worked on influencer projects being on this side.
Ah, so you know how it works, like
Correct.
the back end side.
So
of it.
I feel like both of these jobs gave me the experience to understand all different sides of the table
Yeah.
and not just one.
Yeah.
So even now when I'm creating content, my PR brain is always running that, hey, they could also do this. Like, it's okay if you don't want to work with me. Why don't you do this? So there's always that enthusiasm that
So you're pitching PR strategies ऐसी free में. You should charge for it.
I
with your
actually
experience.
did start my own agency right now.
Amazing.
I was like, I'll do something more
Yeah.
with the knowledge and the skill that I
Yeah.
already have, right? So I just started my company. I'm like, now I'm actively pitching for like clients to come on board, for me to create some magic for them. You know, always
So
I have
cool.
so many visions.
So cool, yeah. एक बात तो है यार, मतलब इस profession में आने के बाद you learn so many things and you get the experience of so many things that you realize that there is so much that can be done.
Correct.
It's not just like one thing that you do forever. I love the versatility of this, you know, profession that you're in, of being in media, and how multifaceted it can be.
Exactly. And there's always something new to learn.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
around the
absolutely.
corner, there's always now there's AI.
Yeah.
Then probably in like about a month, there will be different versions of
Yeah.
AI that you'll be learning. So I feel like that's always something I love. I love learning in general.
Renovation होते ही रह रहा है.
Correct.
Trends आते ही रह रहे हैं. वो बहुत fast होता है. I mean, we cannot deny that it's a very fast changing world because of social media and all of that.
True.
How do you feel about that? How, like, you've been on the other side of it, you're on this side, on the creation side of it. आपने देखा होगा कि trends कितना fast change होता
Correct.
है, and then it's a little difficult sometimes to keep up with the trends. How has your experience been?
I try not to jump on each and every trend.
yeah.
I'm very picky. Whatever I feel like would work well with my audience is something that I will try to do. But even otherwise, I'm a planner. Okay, so
Right.
like I have my monthly plan already ready. What content I want to create, what stories I want to put, like just like a skeleton
Wow.
structure. And I do that on
So
the
much
first.
structure I cannot fathom.
But yeah, I do that on the first of every month.
Yeah.
Just to have a system in place.
Wow.
And then, you know, I already have designated shoot days because
Yeah.
I want to obviously work on my PR agency as well. So I have designated shoot days, and then I see a trend blowing up. I'll be like, okay, let's skip that, do this.
Yeah.
So it's always that. But overall, I just plan
So
everything.
you come across as a very organized and a pre-planned, structured person. You are like that. You've
I
always
am.
been like that.
Not always. 2 years ago, like my best friend really changed me for good.
Yeah.
And
What
he was
happened?
like-
Tell us.
I was very unorganized, and he's like, I don't know how you're functioning with this. So why don't you like try? Just try
Yeah.
Excel. Just try Google Sheet. I'll teach you. And then like I started putting everything, and now I feel like it's definitely made my life like
So
10
much
times
better.
easier. And yeah, I feel like he's also taught me how to strategize so much better,
Wow.
reflect. So at the end of each month, I'll think about what worked, what could I have done better, everything. So I owe it to him.
You
yeah.
mentioned your best friend. Do you believe a girl and a guy can be
Yes.
friends?
Yes, yes.
What's your take on what Rahul had once said?
I mean, I feel like there are soulmates,
Yeah.
but there are also soulmates in terms of friends.
Yeah, right. I
so
agree.
I feel like that's
And
always the thing.
gender is no bar in that. Can be a girl who is your soulmate friend, or it can be a guy who's your soulmate friend.
Correct. And I
Really.
feel like I'm also a girl's girl, but I'm also a tomboy at
Yeah.
times. Like in college, I was very tomboy.
I would definitely relate to you on
So,
that.
I was like, nah.
Sometimes I'm just like, bro, I can't have this with my girlfriends. I'm so glad that I have these great guy friends in my
Correct.
life, right? It makes a difference.
And honestly, I feel like another impact was also my
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah.
Because I grew up with him, I knew like, okay, like this is what guys do. It's
Yeah.
always easier to make friends after that. Like he taught me how to game, so now it's always easier for me to like hang with guys,
Yeah.
play on Xbox or PS. So all of that definitely helps.
Yeah, having brothers. I mean, ऐसा बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि guys who have sisters they turn out to be better, but I believe
True.
that it's a vice versa thing कि लड़कियों को भी जिनको भाई होते हैं ना वो बड़े ही मतलब एक अलग I don't know how to put it in words, but we have a different energy because
Correct.
we've seen them grow up, we've seen them be a man, go from a boy to becoming a man, and we've seen how they've progressed. We have
True.
helped them become a better man sometimes.
I agree. I tell
Do you have
them
a
that all
younger
the time.
brother or an older brother?
Older brother.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you must have been the ladli of the house, right?
Yes. Even now, like I'm very pampered and I don't ever want that to go away.
I don't think that ever goes away. At least with the younger kids. They're like, तुम बच्चे आखिरी हो तुम लाइन में तुम्हें तो लाड करके ही छोड़ेंगे.
True. And the good thing was that my brother just paved the path for me. So he went through all the hardships and I
Yeah,
got
yeah.
all the love. You
The
know?
first child is always the experimental child ना.
It's true.
पेरेंट्स सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट कर देते हैं पहले बच्चे के साथ, फिर दूसरे बच्चे को फिर ऐसे और फिर पहले बच्चे नहीं वो क्रांतिकारी होते हैं पहले बच्चे.
That is true.
बहुत रेवोल्यूशन
That is
करके
true.
मम्मी पापा को बोल दिया कि ये तो नहीं चलेगा, मेरे साथ भी नहीं चलेगा, इसके साथ तो करने ही नहीं दूंगा. तो फिर छोटे बच्चों का थोड़ा लाइफ इजी हो जाता है. Would you say that your brother's done that for you?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Like even now, like he'll always like, you know, have my back.
Yeah.
Obviously growing up we had lots of tiffs, you know, typical like WWE moves and
Tom
stuff.
and Jerry.
Yeah. But now like we have a very loving,
Yeah.
cordial relationship, so I'm grateful
झगड़े
for
से
that.
प्यार बढ़ता है भाई बहनों में भी. करने दो बचपन में झगड़े.
Yeah, true.
But let's come back to content. You create such beautiful beauty content and you are keeping it so raw and real. How did beauty happen? Why did you choose this to be your niche?
So growing up, I was always fond of makeup. Like even when I was very young and I would see my mom apply a lipstick, I would always just be fascinated.
Yeah.
And then I would tell her, hey, even I want it. So she'd apply it for me. Like that's genuinely a picture of me when like I'm this tiny
Yeah.
and she's putting a lipstick on
Aw.
me. So I feel like I've always loved makeup in that way. Obviously growing up, I started experimenting with like the
Yeah.
bare minimums, like, you know, a kajal, a lipstick, a BB cream, whatever. And then I was like, okay, like, you know, we'll just see how it happens. And when I started cold DMing the brands,
Yeah.
the very first brand actually turned out to be a makeup brand. And
It was
like,
meant to be.
yeah, and it was so good. Like, I was just so happy. I was like, yeah, I'm getting free makeup.
Free makeup, that too of a brand that I would like.
Yeah, exactly. So I was like, okay, like, this is
Yeah.
amazing. And yeah, and ever since then, I was like, why don't again, like I
Yeah.
said, I did A/B testing. I created like fashion content, lifestyle content, beauty content. Beauty content resonated. I also enjoyed doing it. So I was like, why don't we like try to like create that as a
Yeah.
niche? So
Wow, that's how beauty happened.
yeah.
Did you enjoy making the fashion content as well? Do you plan on taking it up going ahead, or what are we
I
thinking?
think so. It's on
Yeah.
the cards.
Yeah.
I want to take that up again because I feel like again, fashion is such a
It's so
you know,
vast.
different niche. Correct. So there's so many things
And you can
do.
add the honey flavor to it.
True. So
honey
never say
flavor
never.
to it. It sounds also so good. Honey flavor real में भी होता है और यहाँ भी honey है, इसका flavor हो सकता है. Do you remember the first ever product that you have, you know, recommended to people?
It was actually the Lakme Lumi cream.
Yeah.
Because it was fairly new in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
market.
yeah.
People didn't know what strobe creams
Yeah.
are for. And then I was like, hey, you should try this, you should try this. I just made everyone try
I
it.
know it's a good product because I've
It
also
is.
used it.
It
Yeah.
is.
Do you still use it?
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes, yeah.
Now I feel like there's so much of makeup at home
Oh
that I
my
just have to be really picky about what I want. So I just started like creating boxes about every day, like going out, like date night and everything. Like,
आपकी vanity अलग ही दिखती होगी.
हाँ. So now my mom's also like, please, please just give this up. And I also started doing more like giveaways. Like all my
Giveaways, yeah,
friends,
yeah.
like once a month, like just take anything you want.
Whatever you want.
So I'm
yeah.
always like constantly gifting people stuff. So yeah.
Content creator होने के और भी फायदे होते हैं. आपके friends को होंगे.
True.
Do your friends say thanks, yeah, honey, thanks for doing this? You are doing that and we are getting the benefit of it.
They do, they do. I have like one of my best friend. She genuinely comes home once a month. She'll take a bag full of products for her and her mom, skincare, makeup, everything. And then she'll be like, thank God I never have to buy makeup again because of you. So I feel like, and that's good to hear,
That's
you know?
good, yeah, absolutely. And what's your mom's take on this, that her daughter is doing beauty, you know, content, and there are so many people looking up to her? What does mom feel about this?
Honestly, my mom's like very proud. Obviously, initially I used to balance like PR job with this,
Yeah.
and I never
That
thought
must be
that
very hectic, yeah.
Yeah, it was. And then I never thought that I'd quit that to do this
Yeah.
full time. But now she's just like thrilled, and you know, anytime there are PR boxes that come home, she's more excited than I am. She'll be like, okay, what's
खुल के
there, what's
देखते
there,
क्या है?
let's see. So I always wait for her to come home
Yeah.
after work, and then we open it together,
Yeah.
just so like she gets to see it too.
Oh my god. This reminded me of the fact that कि जब बचपन में पेरेंट्स को ऐसे ऑफिस से दिवाली का गिफ्ट वगैरह मिलता था ना, तो
It
we
was the
used to
other
be
way
like
around.
yeah
Correct,
कि
correct.
कब बैठ के खोलेंगे, हम ऐसे बैठे थे, अभी गिफ्ट्स खोलेंगे, आज खोलेंगे, कल खोलेंगे, कब खोलेंगे. And it's so
True.
nice that you are now giving that experience to your mom. And I mean, the tables have turned, and how?
Yeah.
And how does your brother and your father feel about you quitting your job to take this up as a career? Because there was a time when this was just considered like a time pass.
Correct.
It wasn't taken seriously, but now it's a career path. It must have been difficult to make them understand this side because it's fairly new.
True, but honestly, they saw my journey. They saw me grow from like almost nothing
Yeah,
to where
yeah.
I am right
Yeah.
now, right? So they were always supportive. They were like, if you think this is the right decision, go for it.
Oh, they
And
trusted you with
yeah,
it.
so they were like, you can do whatever you want. And I also was of the opinion that, hey, if full time doesn't work, then I'll obviously like look for a job, start my own
Yeah.
company, something or the other,
Yeah.
right?
I'm so glad that you started your own PR company and you're not letting that experience go to the bin, because I know that 6 years of PR experience means a lot.
It is.
You have learned a lot. Do you
True.
remember a favorite brand you may have worked with while you were doing PR?
Yes, actually, IKEA.
Yeah?
Yeah, so I did IKEA's PR for about a year, and it was such a fun experience because again, you could work with so many different journalists and
Yeah.
people from different
Yeah.
beats, right? Like there's fashion, there's
Yeah.
sports, there is parenting,
True.
everything.
Yeah.
So it's such a diverse experience because everyone needs furniture.
True.
So I feel like definitely that. Another one was the Lakme Lumi. I
Yeah.
also worked on that as a PR person, and at that time, they were like my company MSL was like, hey, why don't you like pitch yourself as an influencer? And I was like, no, like isn't it conflict of interest?
yeah.
And they were like, no, you should do it. Like we'll make it happen. Like just go for it.
Oh, how good to have that support coming from the
Correct.
company.
And then they were like, they kind of inspired me to like go ahead, do it. And that time I had 13K followers, so
Wow.
it was almost nothing. And they were like, just do it, we'll see.
Yeah.
And yeah, I feel like I do owe it to them as well.
Wow. The journey started and how, and जो होना होता है वो होके रहता है.
True.
Through this way, that way, some or the other means say it definitely happens. If we scroll back all the way to your first content, what would make you cringe the most about it today?
I feel like the voiceover.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I was not as confident. I was reading off a script, so
Yeah.
it was just, you could figure out that I'm just reading it, you know.
Yeah.
So I feel like that would probably be it.
Then how have you now figured a better way to do your voiceovers that do not make you feel the same way?
Honestly, I just started doing more talking to camera videos
right.
because I feel like one, they connect with
Candid,
the audience
yeah.
better, and two, you can actually just say what's on your mind
Yeah.
instead of scripting everything and then like
right.
because then audience also knows when it's scripted when you're talking straight, you know. So I feel like that
That
helped.
has made a difference
Yeah.
for you. And have your audience picked up on this, that this shift and how it has like also made them feel better about it?
Not so much of the audience, but my friends definitely like
Yeah.
noticed. They were the ones who were like texting me that, okay, hey, this looks good
Acha
now.
lag raha hai, yeah.
Yeah. So I feel like they've also been like critiques of sort. Like I'll always go to them and be like, hey, what do you think of this? Like before even posting it. So if there's something which I'm doing which is very out of the box,
Yeah.
I always just like ping my girls and be like, guys, what do you think?
Who's that one person जिसका तुम opinion लोगे ही लोगे? You are like कि this opinion is the most important opinion. And
Honestly, that's my mom.
yeah.
Yeah. Like anytime a new reel comes in, like from the edits, I'll just go to her first and I was like, what do you think? Do you think I should change something? And then she'll actually give me like constructive criticism.
Wow.
And then I
She's
go
your
with-
momager like that.
Correct. So she's very like upfront. She'll
Yeah.
always be like, hey, this doesn't look good.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, okay, then we'll figure something else out.
And when it comes from the mom, तुम लड़ भी लोगे लेकिन बुरा नहीं लगता.
Yeah, true.
know?
And
Because you know
she's
she
saying
wants
it
the
for your
best
own
for
good.
you,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
वो there's no ulterior motive there.
True.
This is coming from a good place only. Everyone sees the glam side of beauty creation. What is the other side that people are not seeing?
Honestly, I have so many days where I just feel low. I don't want to create content. But then like I have to push myself that, okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
We have to like put something
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
I think that or another thing is like, I'll actually tell you about an incident that
Please do.
happened years ago. Okay, so I'd created like the skincare reel for a brand.
Yeah.
And I had a lot of acne at that time. And it went viral. I was, of course, very happy. Like, it was
Yeah.
the first video to go
Yeah.
viral. I was like, hey, this is great. Like,
Yeah.
this is what popularity
This
feels
working,
like.
yeah.
Until I saw the comments. And everyone's like, hey, you shouldn't be recommending this. Hey, like, look at your skin first. And
Oh, God.
I just shut down. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know, like, how am I supposed to deal with this head on.
The unsolicited comments.
Correct. So I just like switched off my phone, and for like 2-3 hours, I was like, okay, I don't want to look at it. When I like switched it back on, I saw so many positive comments, and they were like, oh, thank you for showing what real
Yeah.
skin looks like. At least you're not hiding behind filters. And that's actually how I started the
That's
whole no filter
motivating.
community.
Yeah.
I was like, this is actually what real skin looks like, because so many people use filters or they will
Yeah,
kind
yeah.
of like conceal
Yeah.
their imperfections,
Yeah.
but nobody actually sees what real skin looks like. So I feel like that was a very pivotal moment of
Yeah.
my career.
We've talked about the no filter moment, of course, but since you mentioned you had acne and now I see you've got such beautiful skin, what was the change that you made that led to this?
Honestly, a lot of like physical change in
Yeah.
terms of workouts, eating right, making sure I get like outside air, just
Yeah.
doing things that I really enjoy. I do feel like, if you're not happy on the inside, your skin will give you signs.
Oh.
So I just started giving myself more downtime to like, chill, unwind, take breaks. So I feel like all those factors. And of course, I also was a little obese back then. So now that I lost a lot of weight, I started following proper diets and
Yeah.
stuff. I feel like it really changed my appearance on the whole. Like,
Wow.
not just my skin, my body, everything.
And when you feel good, you're just having a good day every day,
Correct, exactly.
right?
Yeah.
How does your mom feel about the fact that you have gotten yourself to this point all on your own?
I mean, I feel like she's thrilled. Every once in a while, she'll come and tell me that, like, I'm so proud of you and like you're doing so good. And she's
'Cause
my
you're not-
biggest cheerleader.
Because you've not only worked on yourself, but you're also, giving so many people out there the strength and the encouragement to कि अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हो.
Exactly.
Right? So and moms, they have this thing कि उनको जब दिखता है ना कि उनका बच्चा सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं कि बहुत लोगों के लिए अच्छा कर रहा है, तो have you ever posted something you thought would flop but it blew up?
Yeah, I feel like a bunch of trend reels.
Yeah.
Because I feel like everyone's doing trends,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
how does your content really
Stand
stand
out,
out?
yeah.
So I feel like 1 or 2 trend reels did really well. Skincare reels in general do really well for me. Affordable makeup, because
Yeah.
I feel like there are so many people
It's
who...
very, oh my god, yeah.
It's a whole different market.
Absolutely.
So definitely those 3 buckets are my top 3 in terms of how my content blows up. But there's also like unexpected ways. Sometimes you never know what will blow up.
Yeah, truly. Sometimes आप कुछ कह जाते हो जो किसी के साथ relate हो जाता है and then it's blown up.
Exactly.
Tell me, are there any like 3 products, affordable makeup products that you feel that everyone who's watching should have in their vanity?
A Maybelline foundation.
Yeah.
the Lumi cream, as I
Yeah.
mentioned. And I would say the Maybelline Sky High Mascara.
Yeah.
I feel
These
like
three.
if those are the three things that if I had to use all my life, I would.
Wow. 3 अफोर्डेबल ओवर द काउंटर आपको मिल जाएगा, ऐसे वाले हनी ने हमें टिप्स दे दिए हैं. आई एम सो ग्लैड कि यहाँ के भी हनी हैज डन हर कंटेंट. शी इज टोल्ड मी कि अफोर्डेबल मेकअप क्या होता है. बट टेल मी, देयर आर सो मेनी आल्सो लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड बिकॉज यू नो देयर आर सो मेनी क्रिएटर्स who, because of the PR or whatever, they are pushing those products ahead, but they're so they're quite expensive on the pocket. It's a
Correct.
pinch to your pocket, and a lot of people, because they feel it's trendy, it could make them feel so much better and look better. They want to take it up. What would you like to say to them? Like, is pressure में आना ज़रूरी है, नहीं है, क्या है?
Not really, but I'll tell you a secret formula that I've kind of come up with. Your base products can be expensive,
Yeah.
because that's clearly something that
Yeah.
you have all over,
Yeah.
right? But your blushes, eyeshadow palettes, your lipstick, highlighter, they can be anything.
Wow.
So they can be your affordable makeup,
Yeah.
but your base can be expensive. That's the
Wow.
only way I...
हाँ, तो मतलब आप make a budget for the makeup.
Correct.
Put
And then-
more money on the
Yeah.
base, the foundation, the
Yes.
concealer and all of that, the primers and all of that, and then
Correct.
ऊपर से जो surface पे लगाना है उस पे
You can go for the
Yeah.
affordable ones.
Wow, that's a very nice maths that Honey has taught. Makeup math.
Yeah, it is.
You can make a segment of this
Maybe I will.
series. Makeup math, like जैसे girl math होता है, we've got makeup math now.
True.
Makeup math feat Honey shared. Yes. Is there any other math you would like to give us?
Not right now. I think that's pretty much it.
Do you think social media has empowered beauty or created unrealistic standards?
No, I think it's definitely empowered
Yeah.
beauty. I feel like unrealistic standards existed before.
Yeah.
When we had models and
Fair
celebrities
skin ही
and
अच्छा
everything.
beauty
Correct.
है and all of that.
Right?
Yeah.
But now, as influencers have kind of risen to fame,
Yeah.
you see them showing the real picture.
The inclusivity has
Yes.
come in. Yeah.
And I feel like, again, like, don't get me wrong, but if an actor is endorsing a product,
Yeah.
they will always just speak highly of it.
True.
But when an influencer is endorsing a product, she will always give feedback to the brand that, hey, you should
Yeah.
include more shades. This is something that you could work on. So I feel like it's definitely made it more inclusive.
Wow.
Because now you see, like, so many brands have been launching like 30, 40 shades of foundation.
True. Yeah.
So I feel like that definitely explains it
But
all.
bhai, I am very confused because sometimes I feel that my skin looks different one day and different the other day. So I feel like I need to have at least 3 foundations, different shades ke in my vanity. So on whatever day I wake up, I have makeup.
Honestly, there's this Indian homegrown brand called Luar Beauty. It's
Yeah.
Luar.
Yeah.
They have kind of changed the foundation game altogether. I recently
Please
experienced
tell us
it.
about it.
So they have a normal foundation, okay? So one, they have a shade finder on their website.
Wow.
So you can put in the foundation that is the perfect match for you, and they will recommend the foundation according to that.
Wow.
So you
So
will
you
never
don't,
get the
yeah,
wrong
you don't have
shade.
to wreck your head over it.
Correct. And then they have these 2 pigments called shade shifters, and one is a whitish one is a dark brown one. So all you have to do is, if you ever want to shade down,
Yeah.
you add some white to it, and then you can make your own foundation in a way. And if you want to like shade up, you put up 1 drop of the brown one, and it deepens the tone.
All the painters out there will be very happy to know this
It-
because you're
Mixing
mix
it,
matching
yeah.
and doing it yourself for your own skin, and you're not like at the mercy of the brands and the shades that they have and stuck to
Correct.
it or something like that.
And
I didn't know about this, but what I generally do is I have 2 shades now of Maybelline foundation.
fair.
I mix
and
them.
match.
Some days I feel like I need more of this, so I'll have more 2 pumps of this and 1 pump of this. The other day I feel like, अरे my skin is giving a little, you know, थोड़ा सा olive दे रहा है, तो फिर अगर
Correct.
मैं ये mix and match करती हूँ. But figuring out makeup has been one task, my god.
True.
Sometimes the makeup is, the foundation is, you know,
Separating?
separating and
Yeah.
all of that. तो फिर expire. I saw your reel and I figured कि expiry कैसे समझ में आती है makeup products की. The POC, PAC, POA, right? Yeah. The POA 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. I'm like ये
It's
सब
so
products
easy to
पे
miss.
है.
It's so easy to miss.
Exactly, but there's no information and no knowledge about it, and thanks
Correct.
to you that you're like I can see कि ये सिर्फ content creator influencer दिमाग नहीं है, but ये PR का दिमाग भी इसमें जुड़ के आ जाता है इस content में,
True.
and that's how you're making your own stride, you know. Okay, is it difficult to say no to a brand if the paycheck is tempting?
Yes, but if I truly love the brand, I will always try to make it happen.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a matter of the product, right?
Yeah.
So if they tell me that, hey, this is the product,
Yeah.
I'll ask them to let me experience it first.
Yeah.
If I love it, I'll even do it at a lower price, but it has to be something that I like.
You like, yeah. And you believe in the product.
Correct. Like, I'm not going to push it out to my audience just because I'm getting a paycheck.
Yeah.
You know?
Ethics! So important anywhere you go in any profession you are in. Do you have any such experience where you may have coming across a brand, सब अच्छा था but उनके ethos नहीं match हो रहे थे. For some reason the principles were just not matching.
I feel like more than that, it's always about the script.
Yeah.
Like, brands cannot control the script to the T. Like, I know
They
what works with
shouldn't.
my audience. So if you dictate that, hey, say this, it's not going to work.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's more of that, even more than the ethos.
Yeah. And like, do you have such times when you're sitting and going through your YouTube analytics to figure out what worked, what didn't work, who's watching, who's not watching, to understand what your target audience is,
Yeah.
or who else would you like to target now and how to go about this? ये study करना कितना important है?
Like, I feel like it's life changing in a
Yeah.
way because it's the secret to growth.
Yeah.
I do it once a month. At the end of every month, I'll literally sit down for an hour, no distractions, and just see what all content I posted,
Yeah.
what worked, what didn't work, what I could have done better,
Yeah.
who did I reach out, basically who was the audience
Yeah.
that, you know, kind of reacted to it. And yeah, and if people have left comments that, hey, try this, I'll always make a note of it and think that, okay, what can I do with this?
Wow.
So I do spend a lot of time just studying.
So you're pretty active. Like, you're not just posting content for content, but you're very active with the entire, you know, ecosystem of what content
Correct.
creation is like.
Yes.
And being how structured you are, I can tell that it's working so well for you, right? Has being a beauty creator changed the way you see yourself in a mirror?
I think so. Like, I used to love putting makeup,
On
going
yourself,
out,
yeah.
everything, right? But now there are also days that I feel like, okay, like I just want to let my skin be.
Yeah.
So now if I'm just meeting my friends or something, I'll never have makeup on. Maybe just a little bit
I
of
feel you
mascara.
don't need also. Whatever you've done, the workout, the diet and everything, the work that you have put within yourself, I can tell that you step out and you wouldn't need so much makeup anyway.
Yeah. But it's always a feel good.
Yeah,
like, it's
yeah.
never a need. It's
Yeah,
like, okay,
it's like the cherry on the top.
Yeah, correct,
Right?
correct.
Yeah.
So now I've started, like, you know, going out more bare
Yeah.
skin, like just
Yeah.
like chilling. Yeah.
Do you believe in the color theory?
I do, yeah.
Yeah,
I do.
And like makeup करते समय भी lip shades कौन से match करते नहीं करते, all of that. How long did it take for you to understand what best fit you?
A lot of trial and error, and also a lot of YouTube videos that are already out there. I think I spent a lot of time just seeing, because I used to love a red lip,
Yeah.
but I know it doesn't look good on everyone.
It
And
does.
then I
Oh my
started-
god.
Right?
It can look horrible on some people. I am some people. It looks
Honestly,
horrible.
so am I. So I started like lining my lips with a brown liner,
Yeah,
diffusing the red, adding some
yeah,
gloss so it doesn't
yeah.
look like as jhatak as
Yeah, the
think-
jhatak, and it can make you
Yeah.
look something else only.
So I just like tried a lot of like experiments, and there are days where I don't want to shoot content, I don't want to do anything. I'll just sit with makeup, do something or the other, like just try it on, see what's working well.
Yeah.
So I also just do that, like
But you know, I've also heard that there are different shades in the red
There are.
lipstick also.
There are.
So if one shade is not matching you, the other may. And I'm just like, इतने सारे shades लाए कहाँ से to
it
try?
is true. They're all different, like
There's crimson, and then there's the brighter red, and then there is the blood
There's
red.
brick red.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Red gives me a headache sometimes.
Yeah, even I kind of steer clear of it.
Yeah, है ना? There are many other options available. When a red wants to be on me, it'll come to me. ऐसा सोच के मैं आगे बढ़ लेती हूँ.
True.
What's your go-to 5-minute makeup routine before stepping out into Mumbai humidity? Because summers are here.
Honestly, I've just focused more on hydration.
Yeah.
I skip
But
foundation.
pasina hydration, like how are we talking about it?
I've been using the Dalba serum spray.
Yeah, it's good.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's so good. So I just spritz some on before, like, I want to go out. Just put some sunscreen. I skip foundation. I add a little bit of like cream blush.
Yeah.
Some mascara and just a lip balm. That's it.
Wow.
That's it.
Tell me what's a good cream blush, because I don't think I have found a good one for me yet.
Honestly, the Rare Beauty in
It's
Hope,
good.
Huda Beauty in Sunset Lychee,
Yeah.
And there's a nude stick stacks, which is very cool because you can literally stack like all blushes on top of each other, and it's this tiny round blush. But yeah, I think those three. I think that one's in the shade melon something.
You know the shades also by heart.
Yeah, because those are like the ones that I frequently reached out for.
Wow, wow, wow. I love this. Today, what does feeling beautiful actually mean to you?
I think just being confident
Yeah.
and comfortable in my own skin.
Yeah.
I don't think beauty is equal to makeup any
True.
longer. I feel like it's just knowing that you feel your best.
Yeah,
in
you
no
are
matter
so
what.
happy in your skin that nothing else matters.
Correct.
I absolutely resonate. And it takes a time, like it takes a while for you to get to this level.
True.
A lot of trial and error goes, falling flat on your face happens,
A
and
lot
then
of times.
टांगे तुड़वा के टांगों पर खड़ा रहना सीखते हो, तभी ये होता है.
I agree.
Right. I've got a segment for you. It's called Keep, Cancel, Confess.
Okay.
Basically, keep it, cancel it, or confess you've used it, done it. These are skincare trends or makeup trends or trends that have been there in the beauty industry. Okay. Glass skin trend. Would you
Keep.
You would keep it?
Yeah, for sure.
Have you tried like achieving that?
I have. I also discovered a new hack which I'm gonna post soon. I
Yeah.
haven't shot it yet. But it's essentially if you mix some highlighter in your toner,
Yeah.
just rub your hands
In your
together.
toner?
Yes. Rub your hands together and just dab it onto your face. You're gonna have the most glass-like skin you can think of.
Is that what all of them are doing for the airport looks?
Probably.
है ना?
So I'm gonna try it out soon. I'll let you know how that goes.
I know your reel will be out before this, but like guys, we had this conversation first. I have found it out before you guys. अभी मैं भी घर जाके ये try करूँगी. Toner पे highlighter mix करके
Yeah, and just
apply.
dab it.
That is the first thing you apply in your entire makeup routine.
Yes,
then.
correct.
Wow. Honey, I'm gonna tell you how that turned. I'll send you a picture. Look, I did this
Yes,
and this
please.
happened.
I'm also very curious.
Overlining your lips.
Cancel.
Yeah.
It's never been one for me.
Yeah.
And I feel like in photos, videos, it's still fine. Like people can't make out, but in person,
It does look like कि कुछ करा है. इन्होंने कुछ तो अजीब करा है.
yeah. I mean, now you have lip plumpers, so
Yeah.
maybe just
Yeah.
use that.
Have you ever done it though? Overlining your lips?
No.
Just for the
No.
heck of the trend?
No.
So you're clearly not a blind trend follower.
Yeah.
Soap brows or laminated brows? How do you feel about it? Keep, cancel or
Cancel
Yeah?
actually. Yeah.
Even I don't get what's the craze about having those. It's like them
Yeah.
combed
Exactly.
eyebrows.
I don't think it looks good on
Yeah.
anyone.
Everyone, yeah.
So I'm just like, okay, like I don't think I ever want to try that.
Yeah. Just filling in your eyebrows looks so good, right?
It looks very natural.
Very
you don't want
natural.
it to look like overdone. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah. ऐसे एकदम.
Yeah, like so pokey straight.
And then that Selena Gomez and Hailey Bieber's controversy on it.
True, true.
Anything can happen, man. 10-step skincare routines.
Confess, I've done it,
Yeah.
but I don't think it's necessary.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like you don't really
Need so much
10
product.
steps.
Oh,
yeah.
God.
So honestly, like just a little.
What's there in the 10 steps? Tell us.
Okay. Obviously, cleanser.
Yeah.
Double cleansing actually.
Yeah.
So double cleansing, toner, eye serum, eye patches, serum, then moisturizer, sunscreen, lip balm, and lip scrub and lip balm.
That is too much.
It is too much.
I was just counting कि हर चीज करते करते आधा घंटा तो ऐसे ही spend हो जाए. Because you also have to take a minute to let it dry,
Yeah,
to put
correct.
the other layer also, right?
True.
इतना time किसके पास है?
Yeah, and it's not something that you can do on everyday basis. You
Yeah.
want something that you'll consistently be able to do,
Yeah.
you know.
So what is a better skincare routine that you figure that works on a daily basis, which doesn't take up so much time, doesn't feel very tedious also?
Honestly, just one cleanser. Put a little bit of toner or toner pads
Yeah.
if you have, or you can even skip toner if it's not necessary. A little bit of eye cream, moisturizer, sunscreen, lip balm.
What's the best eye cream? Tell me. I have not
The
found.
one from Amino.
Yeah, it's good.
It's really good.
It works.
Yes.
Depuffs and all of that.
Yes, and I also use the Pixie Detoxify or Detoxify under eye patches. I also just keep them in the fridge, so whenever I wake up with puffy eyes, I'll just put them on for 15 minutes and then I feel good.
Wow. Now, I am to taking trends away from this conversation. I don't know about you guys. Luxury skincare versus drugstore skincare. Which would you keep? Which would you cancel? Which would you confess having tried? And
I mean, I have, honestly, being part of this job, I have tried all
All.
of it.
Oh.
But I don't feel like you essentially need luxury skincare.
Yeah.
Because there are so many like nice drugstore affordable
Yeah,
options
yeah.
available. And for each skin concern, there are so many Indian brands also
True.
that are doing really great stuff.
True.
So I feel like we can
Is
like
there an
cancel.
Indian brand that you really, believe in their products?
Amino actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, they also have this really good body oil and I love all of their products. So yeah, I think that.
Amazing, amazing. Amino, आपको मिल रहा है brand integration, आप ले लो. Celebrity beauty brands. Everyone these days seem to have their own brand.
I feel like, confess, because I've tried a bunch of them. I love
Which
Rare
ones have you
Beauty.
tried? Of course, Selena.
Yeah. I've loved Selena since like Wizards of Waverly
Yes,
Place.
me too.
So I was so like happy when she launched her makeup brand because that's like best
Yeah,
of both worlds
absolutely.
for me. You know, so I love most of the things from Rare Beauty. I've tried the peptide lip treatment from
Yeah.
Rhode. I feel like it was overpriced. It's an overpriced lip balm. Like I
Yeah.
didn't think it did anything for
Yeah.
me. Also, it keeps on leaking out of the package.
Oh, the packaging. Haley.
Yeah. So that. Apart from that, I have tried About Face
Yeah.
from Halsey. So that's also really good. I want to try Horse Labs.
Yeah.
And I also want to try the glosses from Rem.
Wow. So
So-
there are two that are still in the bucket list. ये दो try करने हैं.
Soon.
Soon, very soon. Influencers launching their own beauty brands. How do you feel about it?
Keep. I think they have seen all sides
Experienced,
of it.
yeah.
And they know what's going to work, what's not going to work.
Yeah.
They also know their audience. So they know that they can communicate with them directly
Yeah.
and actually create products that you know they'll love.
Yeah, because one-on-one base touch कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice perspective. Beauty filters while reviewing products.
Just cancel. That's everything I stand against.
Yeah, because you can't be in beauty and be having filters, because then
Correct.
you're misleading your audience.
Exactly. And you actually want to show the real product, the real sides of
which
it.
is why that video of yours worked.
That's true. I
Because there
totally-
was so much real and rawness in it. This product changed my life वाला जो influencer reviews होता है,
cancel.
है ना?
Because nobody believes in that. And the
Yeah.
minute you say that, you know it's staged.
Yeah.
So, but brands do ask to.
To mention it like that, ऐसे
Some
बेचो, जो बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा के बेचो.
हाँ.
Buying a product just because it went viral.
I do it because I have a series called Instagram made me buy
Yeah.
this. But I don't feel you need everything
How many
that
of
goes
those
viral.
products did actually make you feel, oh, this is working?
I feel like there are 30 episodes out there, so I'd say like 10 or 12.
10 of them did
Yeah,
work for you.
Yeah.
तो which ones वो जानने के लिए तो आपको जाके देखना पड़ेगा कि which ones has she tried and they worked for her. It's called Instagram Made Me Buy This on Honey Sheth's Instagram and YouTube account.
And it comes on Sunday each week.
Sunday each week. Oh, timing the content calendar is so important. My God, sorry, I didn't mention it. Confess if you've done it. This is a different
Okay.
segment, okay? Bought a product just because it went viral. You
Yes.
said that. Which was the best one out of it?
The Rare Beauty blush.
Yeah.
Yeah. It
You
went
bought it
viral in the West.
Yeah.
And then I actually had my friend in Dubai get it for me because it wasn't available in India
Yeah,
back
yeah,
then.
yeah, yeah.
And that's when I tried it and I was like, oh, this is really good.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, like that. I happened to buy Kiko Milano का the lip gloss.
Is it the one which is the dual-sided one?
No. अभी तक that I have not tried.
Dude,
but
you have to try
Yeah?
that. It doesn't budge. So you have like a proper pigment on one side and the
then
other side is just a
transparent.
clear gloss. So it just seals it in and it doesn't budge.
ये भी लूँगी. Pretended to love a product on first try.
No, actually.
Ever? Never, ever?
Never.
Wow. She's so true to her content and her audience, that means. Judge someone's makeup silently.
Yes. Quite a few times.
हो जाता है
Yeah,
ना?
I feel like, okay, like, you know, maybe if you come to me, I can just correct this for you.
Oh. Have you ever like subtly tried to give someone an unsolicited opinion, but in a subtle way so that it reaches them
My
and for their
friends
good?
actually sometimes, like, or even an acquaintance for that matter, like, I'll be like, hey, like, you should just try this,
Yeah.
or I can help you out.
Yeah.
So I feel like that.
So
yeah.
how many times do your friends come and ask you, hey, honey, मतलब मैं सोच रही हूँ ये लेना, ये लूँ या नहीं लूँ तू बता?
Very often actually, and then I'll be like, hey, I have the product, you want to just take it?
don't buy it, take it.
Yeah, I was just like, yeah, like just take
Honey,
this.
can I become your friend?
Yeah, for sure.
So I can also get some giveaway.
Feel free to come home to raid my vanity.
More than raiding, I would like to see your vanity because you said you have different boxes. ये everyday
Yeah.
है, ये बाहर जाने का है, ये कुछ luxury wedding के लिए
Yeah.
है ऐसे. I would like to see how you've organized because I also after a point I'm like इतना सामान रखूँ कहाँ और कैसे. Sometimes I forget also what I have then.
Yeah, very often when I'm cleaning at some point, I'll
You're
be
like,
like, oh, I had this also. Like, maybe I can use this in this video.
Yeah. This happens. Oh my god. Hoarded unopened PR packages.
Yes. Yes. Just because I love how it looks, I'll be like, okay, like I keep it for some time. Then it's like, okay,
Then
time
you
to
will
part.
figure.
Yeah.
Recreated a trend you actually hated. ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि ये बस
Yes.
ट्रेंड है तो कर लिया?
Yes.
What was it?
I don't even remember, but I know I've done it long back, like
Yeah.
4-5 years
Yeah.
ago. I think it was one of the celebrity looks because it was going
Decode
viral.
करना, yeah, right.
And
I
then
remember
kind of
you've done the
hated it.
Alia Bhatt wala thing.
Yeah, that one I actually loved. That was very recent.
The red
But-
lipstick. and
Correct,
the
correct. But yeah, I feel like I've done it, and now then I was like, okay, if I'm not enjoying it, what am I even doing?
Yeah, right. Makes sense. So, since you mentioned कि आपने fashion किया है, fashion is something you would like to, touch upon again sometime.
Correct.
Is there a niche which may not be beauty or fashion, but you would like to try something that you, in your father's thought कि maybe someday I would like to try this?
Yeah, there are like 3 of them.
Tell.
One is of course fashion, one is travel, and one is fitness.
Wow.
Because since
You
I've-
should share because
Yeah.
you've the work you put in, you may have some really good insights.
and there's a lot of trial and error there also, so I
Yeah.
feel like it might just help people out there.
Wow. So, I mean, I am excited to know her fitness journey because believe me, I'm not exaggerating. Her skin is flawless at this point. I want to know this. I am going to follow the skincare routine that she has mentioned in this conversation. And I'm going to keep in touch with her and ask her, कि, honey, मैं ये प्रोडक्ट बाय करूँ या नहीं करूँ, प्लीज टेल मी. सो दैट तो ये पर्सनल हो गया है अब यहाँ पर एस्टैब्लिश. एंड यू कैन ऑफ कोर्स रीच आउट टू हर इन हर DMs, in the comments on her Instagram page and on her YouTube. Thank
I
you,
will
honey.
always respond, I promise.
Thank you so much for being here, joining me for this conversation. I had such a good time.
Same here. It was amazing actually, just being able to like share everything.
I'm
that
so
I've
glad.
had.
I'm so glad you had that. And mummy और पापा को प्रणाम कहना.
For sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank
that for you guys was Honey Sheth. ऐसे ही आपके favorite content creators and influencers will be joining me here soon on this podcast called Off Script with Social Nation. So you better stay tuned.
Hi, this is Honey Sheth on Off Script with Social Nation.